welcome back to the Earl Entertainment YouTube channel. Today we're going down to Parsonsfield. They got a car show down there, Par-Sem, an annual kind of thing. They got a bunch of nice cars on display and breakfast. So I got J5 with me today.
Hey, breakfast four-wheeler, a little banged up here. See?
Yeah. We still go to the show, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Where the moon hit muddy, where them boys raise hell, and the girls look lovely. Got a bluegrass heart, and a drop-top Chevy. Ain't rich, but my load stay heavy. Grew up where the barns lean sideways, Friday nights hitting them highways. Mama praying for me on the driveway, trying to keep me out of trouble like always. I got red clay caked on these boots I'm wearing, a past I ain't proud of, but stories I'm carrying. A heart full of fight and a tank full of gas, and a dream in the dash if I ever go back. Bad roads of Kentucky, yeah, roads of Kentucky, where the moon hits muddy, where the boys raise hell, and the girls look lovely. Got a bluegrass heart, and a drop-top Chevy, Ain't rich, but my load stay heavy.
I'm sadder than the river that runs through the mill in Madison, Maine. Sadder than the Adam station after the evening train. Well, now I've let my lover go to where I don't know, and now I'm sitting here watching the leaves float away on the lake. I started drinking once I hit the toll booth on 295.